ऐसा कहते हैं कि किसी भी चीज को हकीकत में हासिल करने से पहले यू हैव टू अचीव इट इन योर हेड. Even before you make that $1 million, you have to make yourself believe that you can and you will make it. मुझे लगता है कि शायद महेंद्र सिंह धोनी ने भी अपने उस मैजिकल सिक्स को, जिसने इंडिया को 2011 का वर्ल्ड कप जिताया, he must have hit that shot in his head 1,000 times even before the ball connected his bat. आज हम एक ऐसे ही आत्मविश्वास और कन्विक्शन की कहानी सुनने वाले हैं सुदीप दत्ता की. हाय, आज के मंडे मोटिवेशन में हम बात करेंगे अबाउट सुदीप दत्ता. Sudeep Dutta was born in the year 1972 in a small village near Durgapur in West Bengal. His father was an army man and had suffered from a bullet wound which left him paralyzed. The sole breadwinner of the family, his elder brother, also succumbed to a chronic ailment because the family did not have money for his cure. At a tender age of 16, Sudeep, who wanted to be an engineer, had to quit his education and start looking for odd jobs to support the family. This brought him to Mumbai, where he started working at a daily wage of rupees 15 as a loading, unloading and a packaging labor. Over here in Bombay, he had to work for more than 20 kilometers a day because he wanted to save some money to send it back home for his mother and 4 younger siblings. In a span of 2 years, things started looking grim once again. The factory where he worked had suffered from huge losses and the owners wanted to shut it down. But इस बार सुदीप ने हालातों से हार मानने की बजाय उन्हें चुनौती देने का निर्णय लिया. He started collecting all his savings and also borrowed money from his friends and family and managed to arrange an amount of rupees 16,000. हालांकि हम 1991 की बात कर रहे हैं, but I'm sure you'll agree that 16,000 was still not a huge amount to be able to buy an entire company. The owners, who were tired of the losses, reluctantly agreed to accept Sudeep's offer, provided he was willing to share all the profits that the units had for the next 2 years. Sudeep wanted the company at any cost and agreed to the condition. At the age of 19 years, Sudeep was now the owner of a factory and had the responsibility of managing it and also repaying the loan as soon as possible. The journey was not going to be easy. The industry was dominated by giants like Jindal Limited and India Foils owned by the Vedanta Group. However, this did not deter him. He focused on the pharmaceutical industry and their flexible packaging needs. Riding the success of the pharma wave, Sudeep was soon able to convert his company into a mid-cap. And in fact, 2008 में Sudeep was able to acquire Vedanta Group's India Foils for an amount of rupees 130 crores. This was a bold decision because SD Limited, the company owned by Sudeep, was still a smaller company when he had acquired the India Foils. This story tells us that whatever a man is able to achieve is directly related to his thoughts. कोई और हम पे भरोसा करे उससे पहले हमें खुद पे भरोसा करना पड़ता है. Sudeep had the conviction that he would be able to turn around the company, and yes, he did manage to do that, and he was able to convert his company into a 1,600 crore packaging giant. Today, Sudeep is settled in Singapore. Although his company is going through a challenging and a tumultuous time right now, but here's hoping that this man will play another fantastic innings and will inspire people to continue to believe in themselves. See you another Monday.